I've got the buckets, the outdoor peppers.
Oh, yes.
That are in buckets and everything. These ones are more tropical, but I'm just seeing how they're doing there at the moment. But probably I'll move them underneath the tree in the back so they get partial shade. This was what, a death spiral?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the death spiral that I thought I was having problems with, but it's come back like ever so crazy. I'm even starting to get some pepper flowers on it, and the thickness of the stem has got to be getting pretty mad. Yeah, not too bad. 7-pot brain strain. That's a mix between ghost pepper and jalapeno. Oh yeah, that's Rogers Giant Habs is what those are. Those ones are the orange Habs, and the challenge behind them is to grow ones that are the biggest. And if you can manage to grow one that's so big, you send a picture of it with the weight and everything, and you get shout outs on his page for growing that particular genetic.
Wow.
This one here was a yellow scorpion, which has since taken off since I put it in here.
It's in flower, yeah.
Another one, it's a typically broadleaf one, so that's why I put it in here. This one might not be so broadleaf, Nate. I might be able to move this out.
Yeah, I think so.
Know. This is my Carolina Reaper. That's currently, well, kind of the most commercially available hot pepper in the world.
Wow.
Like the hottest pepper in the world. But look at the stem on it.
Wow.
It's as thick as my thumb almost.
Wow.
Choco Butt CS. Yeah, you see that, Nate?
Yeah,
It's a crazy stem. And the shoots are all coming off of it all crazy too. And Choco Butt CS. I think this one also might be a more outdoor pepper. Because look at the leaves.
Wow.
And this is an Ahi Cherapita. So my peppers, as soon as I moved them in here, Stu, they seriously started ballooning up.
Yeah, it's just perfect. Yeah, nice. Nice and warm. Yeah.
Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, my Brussels sprouts are doing fine.
I've got something that's starting to come at them. I got to figure out what it is.
There's something like the leaves on them.
Yeah. Radishes. We got some onions coming up various different places.
Yeah.
That's definitely a full sun pepper, but the other ones are questionable. Most of these are full sun peppers. Look, I've already got mad jalapenos coming.
Oh yeah.
This was one of the hardest plants for me to grow because literally out of 20 seeds or whatever of this particular pepper, only like 1 or 2 actually germinated. And I can't find the other ones, so probably only 1.
Get some seed from one of those peppers.
It's probably safe to assume that it's cross-pollinated by now. So whatever seeds that do come from those peppers will become a mix of something else. So I'll keep these particular pots like planted like this and overwintered and whatnot.
Yeah.
And grow these into 5-7 year plants because they get even crazier the next year and everything if you overwinter them. They're actually not annual, they're perennial. You can keep growing them year after year after year. The only problem is they're not perennial in Canada's climate outside. Yeah. That was, I think, some sort of scorpion pepper. That's the red habanero. Again, part of that same Rogers Giant Red Habanero Challenge. These are the red bell peppers that we got from Keith Chadwick. Purple splotch, chuchacha. Bolivian rainbow is going pretty nuts.
Yeah, look at that.
No, not the one above my hand, the one underneath. And this is Ahi Ayuyo, which is getting really covered. And this is an Ahi Hasta de Bui Rojo, which is really turning into a crazy vine. I'm going to have to raise this up, Nate. I have to get a couple more stakes in there and raise it up.
Mm-hmm.
And of course the rest of the garden here is still going very good. We've been pulling out radishes, we've been pulling out some beets for the leaves. Something's still coming and crushing the beets. I'm going to have to put more in. But we've got some more full-size radishes coming up. No, we did really good this year, Stu.
Yeah. Considering it's been very hot.
Oh, the heat was crazy. We couldn't plant anything for a good week or two.
That heat will rain.
Yeah.
Hello again, and welcome back to the tent. It has been almost a month now. Almost a month. A couple of days short. And it is sleeping time again. I hope you all have been enjoying the video series so far. It's been fun to make it, for sure. There's a lot of work to do all the editing, but I like what the result is. Hopefully you all are enjoying it as well. Anyways, it is time for me to sleep. It's almost 2 in the morning. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good night.